Ndewonu ndị nkem. Olee otu unu mere? Ama m na unu dị mma. Taa anyị na-eme pizza.
For those of you who didn't understand what Fevo said, hello guys, how are you? And also said what we're going to be making today, pizza.
And for those of you who are Igbos, ndewonu, if you know, you know. And yes, we are making pizza. Pizza.
Fevo, what are your favorite pizza toppings?
Personally, I am a mushroom girl and sausage. But really, I am not very picky with my toppings. My favorite of all time is mushrooms, and I used to hate mushrooms, but I love them now and it's amazing on pizza, so that's why it's my favorite.
Yeah, my favorite toppings are mushroom, bell peppers, and sausage. Just amazing. It's amazing.
And that's what we put in this pizza recipe.
Oh yeah,
yeah.
But we also added onion in this one, right?
Yeah. And onion it is an unpopular option, but it's pretty good in a pizza. It gives it that flavor.
Yeah, it gives it that almost home cooked vibe.
Yeah,
it does.
So, did you guys see how I split the dough in quarters and gave each and every person one piece of dough, and everyone else was kneading it until I put it together and we finished the kneading process, right? Well, Emmanuel, wow, he was phenomenal.
Yep, he shocked us today, guys. Literally, he was trying so hard. I'm pretty sure he might have popped a vessel.
Wow. I'm so certain.
There's never been a time I've seen him so serious before like that.
Especially dough.
Exactly. He was trying his hardest.
So this is when the dough finished rising and I punched that dough, and that was so satisfying. Now I placed it in that pan and pressed it down to its shape, and that was satisfying as well. And then I was puncturing it so fast and it was crazy. And now it's the toppings, guys.
Well, let me just start off by saying that putting these toppings was tedious, as we wanted to make sure every single piece of the pizza was like covered in the toppings. But then again, we had to make sure we left some because we were gonna make another one.
I'm telling you, the nook and the cranny.
Yup, even the edges.
We wanted there to be a full coverage of toppings.
Yep.
You don't want a dry pizza, do you?
Exactly.
By the way, I was sprinkling the corn like there's no tomorrow.
So guys, you wanna know why we did the thumbnail when the pizza was half cooked?
Well, it's because I went to my football training.
So it's your fault.
No, it isn't.
I'm joking. Anyway,
Yes.
anyway, the pizza is done, and you can see right there that I am dishing it out for the rest of the boys who didn't go to football training. So yeah, there wasn't really much of a mukbang, so it was me taking a few bites, and the bites were heavenly, guys. I highly recommend trying, and I can definitely assure you that Wisdom enjoyed it after his football training. So thank you guys for watching, and bye.